at Weather Controlling Solutions India Private Limited. Every HVAC project begins with understanding. Our engineers visit your site. Take precise measurements, study area conditions, product flow, occupancy, electrical load, and every factor that affects performance. Back at our design center, the WCSIPL team conducts detailed heat load calculations, selects the right equipment, and tailors a system that balances efficiency, reliability, and cost for your specific product and process. Our proposal engineers then prepare a comprehensive commercial offer, presenting every technical and commercial detail clearly for your review. Once the proposal is aligned, our technical experts meet with your team to explain every consideration and ensure the solution meets your expectations perfectly. After receiving your confirmation, we conduct a detailed site kickoff meeting, aligning drawings, coordination points, and safety protocols to prepare for smooth execution. WCSIPL then submits a Microsoft project schedule integrating all interlocks with other services, electrical, civil, and utility, so that timelines and responsibilities are crystal clear. Our experienced project engineers take charge of execution, working with qualified technicians, lifts, scaffolding, and full PPE to ensure safety and precision. Throughout the process, senior managers conduct quality checks, ensuring every component meets design intent. Once installation is complete, our commissioning team verifies the system performance against original calculations, fine-tuning until results match the promised parameters. Finally, WCSIPL hands over a comprehensive documentation set, including operating manuals, maintenance schedules, as-built drawings, spare part lists, warranties, and single-point contact details, all compiled in one professional handover booklet for lifetime reference. With every project, WCSIPL delivers engineering excellence, safety, and reliability, ensuring your facility operates at peak efficiency day after day. Choose WCSIPL and forget your HVAC worries, because precision, performance, and perfection are what we deliver every time.